that if there is a walking tree on this planet, that walks from one place to another. These trees are called Socratia exoryza. It's a tree which is found in Latin America, and this tree can actually walk. This special type of palm tree walks around 2 to 3 centimeters a day and around 20 meters a year. But scientists believe that this tree actually doesn't really walk, but moves towards the sunlight, because it's mainly found in the dense forest, where it struggles for the sunlight, because they are small compared to other trees. To get sufficient amount of sunlight, their roots grow in the direction of sunlight, and their old roots lift into the air and then die. Palm trees differ from typical trees as their roots extend mainly beyond the soil, resulting in a distinctive broom-like shape and structure. If you have interest in facts, you can follow IntFacts.